Former President Jacob Zuma has met his legal team to discuss his options after the Constitutional Court sentenced him to 15 months in prison yesterday. Zuma has 5 calendar days to report to the Nkandla police station or the Johannesburg Central Police Station to begin serving his sentence. Now, his family has said that he will not go down without a fight. Let's just take a listen to what his brother had to say.
No, President Zuma is currently out of home, but he will be back very soon.
How soon is very soon, say, if you don't mind sharing with us?
Well, I wouldn't want to break security, contingencies, so he'll be back home ultimately.
Is he in KwaZulu-Natal or still in Gauteng? We understand that he is in Durban. Is that the case?
Yeah, what we can say is in South Africa. That's one thing I can confirm to you. He's in South Africa.
Mm-hmm. How is he feeling? We heard that he's consulting with his lawyers and his legal team. What is he consulting about? Not that you would know, but do you have any idea what is he consulting them about? Or it's got to do with the upcoming case in Pietermaritzburg on the 19th?
Well, look, he's got a pending case. Obviously, he has to consult with his legal team. And once again, he obviously has to consult with his legal team, in accordance to what transpired yesterday, and then we'll then take it from there.
Well, the former president's backers are promising to intensify their support as the deadline to hand himself over draws closer. A motorcade by some Durban-based friends will take place in Nkandla on Friday. eNCA senior reporter Dasen Thathiah chatted to some of his allies today.
This is the kind of support Jacob Zuma draws in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, with a pending prison sentence, after being found in contempt of court, his backers say they will continue to stand by him. An ANC youth activist says the court should have been lenient.
The law has treated him equally to any other person, and we appreciate that, the strongness of our democracy. And we are not saying that these things must be looked into because he's a former president of the ANC. We are saying that it must be looked into because he's a senior citizen in the country. And we will take the similar position with any other elder in society.
XULU says the governing party must show unambiguous leadership after the Constitutional Court decision before things get out of hand. VUSI DUBE, a long-time Zuma ally, says a 15-month sentence is unacceptable.
The judges are trying to prove that they are in power, which is not supposed to be the case. So that is why it was a very painful thing to listen to what was happening, because I'm not a law guru, but I know that the Constitutional Court must protect the rights of the people.
DUBE, who will be organizing a motorcade for Zuma in Nkandla on Friday, says he's hoping to speak to him soon.
We have not had a man-to-man talk. We might have, that talk. We might have that prayer that we are going to render to him. But I think at the moment, from what I hear from around, he is strong.
Meanwhile, KwaZulu-Natal's ANC chairperson, SIHLE ZIKALALA, has weighed in on Twitter. But he wouldn't go much further in person.
We are of a view that, yes, as the ANC leadership have alluded, there are implications of the judgment, but the ANC will discuss those implications and consequences in its National Executive Committee this coming weekend.
Zuma has been ordered to hand himself over to police by this weekend. Dasen Thathiah in Durban.